Okay, we've sprayed the head, let it dry. So now we gotta start detailing it by hand. So we're gonna refine these and paint these, and then we'll start painting on. We got the mouth to paint. We'll highlight the hands and the feet a little bit. So I'm going to be using craft paint. We're going to use this blue here to highlight my lines, and I'll use white here to do the work on the teeth and stuff. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So this now just going to take a little while. I want this one, I think. We'll try this one. Let's work on the hands first. And see, we're just going to highlight this a little bit more, redefine it some, and we'll keep working on this, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.